Hey guys, welcome to Thumper Fab. We're here to check out the lift kit for the 24 and up Defender Limited. Now this is going to be for your 65-inch track width machine and your cab models. This new lift kit, bracket lift, really makes it super simple and easy to install, not only on our Thumper Fab forward control arms, but also on your stock control arms. This helps relocate our shock to be able to work with the much larger shock that the 24s, 25s have, and allows us to get 2 full inches out of this with the adjustability still maintained on the front spring. This lift kit gives you a full 2 inches, still maintains your adjustability here for your preload on the spring perch, and rides so much better than a puck lift will. We're able to maintain that with this bracket lift design, and front makes it super easy to install, still works with your factory sway bar. So check this out, thumperfab.com or a Thumper Fab dealer near you. We'll see you on the trail.